Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let's check out these Rubbermaid storage containers. Rubbermaid have crossed their T's and dotted their I's when it comes to designing this beautiful container here. I love the ergonomic handle hold that you don't lose space on, it just gives you the indentations to hold on to nicely. The seal is also airtight, not only around the rim, but also on the spout. I use this for my dog food, and honestly, I have used this container for years without any problems whatsoever. I absolutely love it. It holds quite a lot in it, and I love the fact that the lid itself also has the little tab, so you always know which direction you're putting it on at the same time. Another bonus I love about this is the spout lid itself holds itself open while you are pouring things out. This is great because I hate when the lid closes mid-pour. So guys, I love these. You can use them for absolutely anything. Like I did for dog food, you can put flour in there. You can do whatever you want. And I love the fact that you don't have to use it just for the pantry. You can actually store all sorts of things in here too. So think outside the box, but that's just my point of view.